Welcome to SBS World News Australia online for Tuesday the 25th of September. I'm Lauren Pedersen. Burma's military rulers have threatened to take action against the Buddhist monks who've led the country's largest demonstration in nearly 20 years. The protests are reportedly spreading from the former capital Rangoon to other towns, as the monks call on others to join them.
Like a maroon army, Burma's monks are on the march. Tens of thousands today, vowing to bring down a repressive military government. And with them, vaster crowds of civilians, shaking off decades of fear and repression. The last time anyone defied the generals like this, the army killed 3,000 people. So what will they do this time?
We are clearly in uncharted territory now as to what's going to happen. Firstly, the demonstrations could subside. That's looking less and less likely by the day. Secondly, that we could see some sort of counter-reaction, which would be a disaster, although in terms of probability, it, I'm afraid, ranks quite high.
The generals have held power in Burma for 4 decades. They've crushed almost all political opposition, jailing many, including the democracy activist Aung San Suu Kyi. When the demonstrations began last month, more than 100 protesters were arrested. The unrest was triggered by the country's economic misery. Poverty is deepening here, with millions of families struggling. We've just come back from a rare trip inside Burma. It's a tense place. Anger with the regime is welling up. But can change here come without bloodshed?
In our country, the monks are the highest moral authority of the society. And then when the monks take the leading role, in the movement, and then people would follow, eventually.
The generals have warned they may soon take action against the monks. Neighbours like China are urging restraint, but events are moving fast.